This looks so scary.
Bad boy, really that.
Now I gotta chop out. I'm teeth, huh?
No, you say about teeth, that's what I'm saying. Chicken now teeth that.
At the tongue.
Why take out them liver? I don't know the one and we run the farm. They're not showing white on them to just rinse off long time and bag on it. But the gizzard now,
Is video on, huh?
what the bag them are?
The chicken them biggie. How much chicken you buy, Henry? Eh? I'm not itching it. See then I'm left, right, pocket.
No, you're talking business.
Whatever. You are right. This is so scary. Inside the chicken.
This is the operation table, we do the surgeries. Make sure say, you know, the tubes come out.
All the intestine.
And all the intestines.
Kenrico.
You know, make sure say them right and them okay.
What's your man? Chicken
That's a pot of them. Pot of chicken ready to get way in hot water. We have to take off the ear off it tenderly. And when ready we can pluck it. And that's a keg of ice now. Keep it preserved until ready to do the next extra slaughter.
Is that ice?
Yeah. You know, keep it fresh. After that, transport it to the incubator in there, so the fridge. And get it way. Interview finished, sorry. Dealing with buying of chicken now. Yeah. Call it. Go and get the chicken, baby. These are the babies up there.
You don't know enough. Real chicken best chickens in the world. We're going to barbecue today, so this is just the beginning. You understand? We're there on the ends are going to relax. So you don't know, later will be greater. The fun day starts today. You understand? So we're going to have the bones about, we're going to have the jerk chicken, the cotton candy, the popcorn, snow cone, everything. So just stay tuned. Straight, live. Real life, man. Big up my photographer and camera.